is it crucial because it would give us, a little bit more of an insight to various perspectives from different colleagues, some of which many of you will be working with for the first time, right? And also just trying to break the ice and get down to responding and fulfilling a brief, with very tight deadlines. I think all of that, we go through it quite often, in the agency world. But I would say that each time, you go through it as well, there is always something to learn. But all the more so, I think over the last 2 years, our lives have changed so much in terms of the ways of working. The old days where we used to conduct MediaWorks and also similar pitches, right? And RFP responses to teams, was in a boardroom. We lock up a war room and people discuss and share from there. But these days, of course, we are moving towards a hybrid way of working. And even though MediaWorks is going to be, more of a virtual format, I think it would also then allow us to forge new ways of breaking the ice with one another, new ways of learning about your team members and teammates virtually, right? And trying to connect with them, leveraging on each other's strengths, right? To pull through over the tight few days that we have to respond to a client's brief. So, I think especially important because of post-pandemic world that we're living in. I think this will be a very refreshing experience, even for those, right, who may have even attended it before. I think this will be very different.